Welcome to Vision Academy YouTube channel. This is Sundar, working as Assistant Professor in Commerce. In this video, I will teach you how to calculate future value in Excel for single deposit and series of deposit. If you found this video is useful, please subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. We better to understand the meaning of future value before we calculating the future value. Future value is the value of a current assets or current commitment given at a future date based on an assumed rate of growth. It means if you want to know the value of the deposit you made today or series of deposits made for specified years, future value calculation is best tool to understand your future maturity. First, let us calculate the future value for single or even cash flows. The formula for calculating single or even cash flow for future value is present value. Present value means the present deposit you are going to make today, that must be multiplied by 1 plus I whole to the power of n. I means interest rate you are going to receive for your deposit. N is number of periods you are going to wait. So friends, imagine you have deposited 1000 rupees in some bank at 10% rate of return for 6 years. For the given information, let us calculate the future value for the given information. So friends, look at the formula. Formula is present value. Present value in the given scenario is 1000. That must be multiplied by 1 plus I. I means interest rate. Bracket close in shift number of years. N means number of periods you are going to wait for your maturity. So your required result is 1771.56. So if you made a deposit today, 1000 deposit today at 10% rate of return for 6 years, after 6 years when it matures, you are going to receive 1772 rupees. In the second scenario, I will calculate future value for the series of cash flows or deposits. In this case, cash deposit for each year is 1000 rupees at 10% rate of return for 7 years. To calculate this, you are required to open year column, opening balance column, deposit column, interest column and closing balance columns. As I said you already, you are going to commit your deposit for 7 years. So I will open 7 years rows, 7 rows for 7 years. Next column is opening balance. In the first year, there was no opening balance in your account before you deposit. So first year opening balance is 100. And deposit, I have mentioned a deposit of for all 7 years. Now you want to calculate interest. Interest will be calculated like this. Your interest is opening balance plus deposit. Interest will be charged on opening balance plus deposit. So opening balance plus deposit into rate of interest. Interest at the end of first year is 100. So now you want to calculate closing balance. Closing balance is opening balance plus deposit plus interest. So your closing balance will be 1100 rupees. So at the end of first year, your closing balance was 1100 rupees, and for the second year your opening balance will be 1100 because last year closing balance will be next year opening balance. And deposit, same thing, deposit is made even second year also is 1000 rupees. calculation of interest will be same thing as I did in the last example. Your opening balance plus deposit into rate of interest. So second year interest is 210 rupees. So second year interest is 210 and closing balance for the second year is 2312 rupees. Suppose you keep on calculating till the last year or draw the cursor at till the end of year, you will get the desired result. So at the end of 7th year, your closing balance is 10,439 rupees. It means your future value, if you deposit 1000 rupees for 7th year at 10% rate of return, your future value will be 10,439 rupees. Friends, this is manual calculation which I made. Now I will calculate directly. So direct calculation is very easy to calculate. Future value, open bracket, rate in this case is 10%, and NPER, number of payments means number of year is in this given example is 7, and PMT, payment per month, per year, payment per year is 1000 rupees, and PV, present value in the initial, it is opening balance is 0 and type is 1. Close the bracket and you will get your desired result. Friends, it is showing in negative because it is parenthesis, that's why it is showing in negative. Either in both method you can calculate. Directly it is very easy. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my Vision Academy channel and do share the video. Thank you.